H for Hezekiah. Today I'm gonna show you a new play-doh set. Here's my play-doh. Let's open it up. But first, let's open this up. Okay. Whoa, there's a pony. There's another pony. Let's see what's over here. What is this? Oh, these are the instructions. I'll set them aside. I don't know what is this, but it's something that's real. Here's another pony. And more ponies. There's a mold, a knife, and a pony mold. And of course we got the play-doh here. Safe in the box. This is color pink. This is color green. Color purple. And this color white. This is color blue. And this is color orange. There's something else in this box. There is more play-doh. Let's dump them. I'm gonna go get that. Wait, oh no, and